Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a nice fun jumping game where a sprite jumps over obstacles that are coming at them. So let's get started. First, delete the scratch card sprite and then go to the sprite. Then you can scroll around to find your own backdrop that you want. You can choose any backdrop, it's a free choice. But the one I will go with will be probably the playing field. So now that I know which one I want, I just go over there and click it. There we go. Next, I will be choosing a sprite that will be jumping over the obstacles. I will choose Ben. Next, we will be choosing a sprite that will be the obstacle. There's nothing here that I actually want. Yeah, there's nothing really here I actually want. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go there, hover over, and click the paintbrush. Then I'm going to make my own custom sprite that I want to do. For the thing I want to do, it's going to be a soccer ball. Okay, so first I got to make the circle. Let's make it an exact circle. Beautiful. Now that I have it, here's the code. And now you can duplicate the sprite. Then go to the second one and put the wait seconds block. You can put any amount you want. And then it makes the second one move and the first one move at different times. You can increase it to make it wait longer and you can decrease it to make it wait shorter times. That's pretty good. Yeah. But I'm going to make the speed a little higher. That should be good. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. That's great. Okay. Now, we are going to make our character jump when it clicks the space key or the up arrow. To do that, we need to go to the motions category and get the change Y by block. You can set it to any number. The higher the number, the higher our character will jump. Then put a wait block under your thing. And then put another change Y by block with the same number but add a minus sign to make it a negative number. Then smush this all together into a sandwich and it can jump. But that's not high enough for me. Yeah, that totally isn't high enough for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make the numbers higher. To make the numbers bigger so it can jump higher. I forgot something. Okay, that should be good. But still, it's still touching the soccer ball even when it jumps. So we'll have to make the numbers way higher. 45 might work. And let's change both of them. So when you click the up arrow and the space arrow, it'll be the same. Okay, just barely touching it. What if I change it to... Yeah, that should be good. 50. Oh, that is awesome. The character is dodging those like a pro. Now let's make it come down a little faster and then change it all. Let's save our project and let's see it up close. Great, but even when it's touching the balls, it's still doing nothing. And I think I want to change that. So let's see. First, before I do that, I want to delete those 3 sprites. Okay. Now what I want to do is get a forever loop, and then what I want to do is grab an if-then statement block. And then what I'm gonna do is go to sensing and grab the touching soccer ball 1 or soccer ball 2. Now I'm gonna put that in the darkened triangle, whatever that is, and then I'm gonna make... Oh yeah, then before that I gotta put the stop all and the stop other scripts and sprites blocks. Yeah, so that will make sure the balls, when it will stop moving. And remember, if I'm going too fast or you need to keep looking, just pause the video and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to see more fun and productive episodes like this. Okay, so now when I touch the balls, it will stop, which is good. Now this is actually turning it more better. Okay, what I want to do next is probably do something to the the speed like I'm doing. Okay, that's not working again for some reason. It's fine, let's just change it back. Yeah, it moves. So we're gonna save that again and go. Yeah, there we go. Now that is a lot of fun. Okay, that is fun. So, yeah. Next, I want to add a score. So I will go to the variables and create a variable called score. Now, I will get a set score block and set it to 0. Then, I gotta go back to Ben. Ben. And then we gotta add a change score by 1 so it changes the score after it jumps. Perfect. Save our project. Make sure you always save your project. Also, yeah, I'm gonna double click that and then as you can see there's 3 different modes. There's slider, normal reader, and large reader. I'll keep it at large reader. So as you can see, it counts the score every time Ben jumps. Watching, and if you want to see more awesome videos like this, make sure you press that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to see more recent videos.